Hey Etsy sellers! It's eShop Marketer here with another video to help your Etsy shop thrive. Today we are dishing our top 7 crafty tips for turning first-time Etsy buyers into devoted, repeat customers. These proven strategies will help you build an army of loyal customers who can't wait to shop your latest creations again and again. So make sure to stick around to the end because this video will transform your sales. Alright, let's jump right into tip number 1. Offer discounts for return customers. Give your new customers a special coupon code for 10 to 15% off their next purchase. Send this VIP offer by email after their first buy to get them eagerly anticipating their next order. Repeat sales, here we come. Up next is tip number 2. Follow up after the initial sale. Check in a week or two later to make sure they love their item. Ask for an honest review while you have their attention. This personal outreach shows you care and strengthens the bond. Moving on to tip number 3. Target your emails campaigns. Send special deals, hand-picked product recommendations and sneak peeks at upcoming releases, but only to your repeat buyers. They'll eat up the exclusive perks landing in their inbox. Now for tip number 4. Step up your social media game. Post on Instagram daily, run weekly Facebook Live videos and hashtag old purchases. This keeps your shop top of mind so customers remember to revisit. We're halfway there. Tip number 5 is speedy shipping. Offer fast, reliable delivery with tracking and upgraded shipping options. This superior experience absolutely hooks buyers. Up next is tip number 6. Make unboxing a delight. Include custom stickers, handwritten notes, and other special touches with each order. These surprises spark joy and keep customers coming back for more. Last but not least, tip number 7. Create an official loyalty program. Offer perks like free shipping, members-only sales, and points or credits that increase with each purchase. This incentive gets buyers obsessed with becoming your VIP. So there you have it. Our 7 crafty tips for converting one-time Etsy buyers into devoted, lifelong repeat customers. Level up your customer experience, stay top of mind, and offer VIP perks. Do this and your sales will skyrocket. Let us know in the comments which tip you're most excited to try in your shop. And make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Happy selling!